Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix WhatsApp code not received problem. So let's get started. First thing first, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor connectivity can prevent the verification code from being delivered. So after you check your Wi-Fi, if it's you are still not receiving the verification code, then simply tap on the did not receive the code option available in the blue highlights. So basically, if you are not receiving the verification code via SMS, try selecting the option to receive a call instead. You can see call me option available in the blue highlights in the bottom. WhatsApp will call your phone number and provide the verification code through an automated voice message. So if none of this work, then simply contact the WhatsApp support by going in the WhatsApp support in any web browser. Now tap on the WhatsApp Messenger support option available there, and you can see you'll have to enter your mobile number, email address, and you will get to see a box to fill up your problem. Simply write down that you are not receiving your verification code for your WhatsApp login. So after you do that, uh, they will contact you as soon as possible. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of not receiving the verification code for WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.